Hey there! Have you ever felt that nervous flutter every time you try to speak English, even though you know the words? That moment when your brain is ready but your mouth just freezes. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to speak English fluently, effortlessly, and confidently. Imagine speaking smoothly, without hesitation, without searching for words, effortlessly. We're going to explore practical tips, easy listening exercises, and small daily habits that transform your English speaking skills. By the end of this video, you'll not just learn English, you'll start thinking in English. You'll be ready to speak anytime, anywhere, with confidence. Let's dive in and make English fun, alive, and simple. Welcome back! If you're learning English at a B1 level, this video is your roadmap to English speaking fluency. Today we're focusing on practical exercises that you can use every day. Forget about memorizing long grammar rules or complicated sentence structures. Instead, we'll focus on speaking English naturally, the way people actually talk. Grab a notebook. Yes, a notebook. Write down words, phrases, sentences, and little expressions that you like. These small notes will become your building blocks. And remember, consistency is the secret. Every day you spend practicing English, you're moving closer to speaking confidently. By the end of this video, you'll have clear steps to speak fluently, tips to listen better, and a plan to think in English so that conversations become smooth, natural, and enjoyable. The first step is simple, yet absolutely powerful. Speak every single day. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Start small. Talk about your day, your hobbies, or even the things around you. Speak out loud. Your brain and your mouth need practice together. Try these examples. I am cooking dinner. I went to the market today. I enjoy listening to music. You can even narrate small actions. I am making tea. I am opening the window. I am checking my phone. The more you speak, the more your brain will start thinking in English automatically. Remember, fluency is not magic, it's practice. Every word counts. Every sentence counts. Listening is the secret ingredient of fluent English. Listen carefully, then repeat. It's not just copying, it's training your ears, tongue, and brain to work together. Listen to this. I love reading books in the evening. Now repeat. I love reading books in the evening. Feel the rhythm. Notice the tone. Notice how the sentence flows. Do this every day, even for 5 minutes. The repetition will help your pronunciation, your rhythm, and most importantly, your confidence. Soon, you'll find yourself speaking faster and smoother without hesitation. A tip. Try listening to short English videos, podcasts, or even songs. Pause, repeat, and mimic. This is how native speakers learn naturally, and now you too can. Instead of memorizing individual words, focus on common phrases. Phrases help you speak faster and more confidently. Think of them as ready-made tools in your English toolbox. Here are examples you can start using today. How was your day? I would like to order coffee. Can you help me, please? That sounds interesting. I don't understand. Can you explain? Practice these phrases daily. Say them to yourself. Say them to friends. Say them in front of a mirror. The goal is to make them natural. When you know these phrases, you can build conversations effortlessly. Your fluency improves because you're not stopping to think about grammar. You just speak. Many learners translate from their native language into English. This slows you down and breaks your flow. Instead, think directly in English. Describe your actions, your thoughts, your surroundings. I am brushing my teeth. I am reading a book. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. I need to call my friend. Doing this trains your brain to create English sentences instantly. Over time, your sentences will flow naturally, without hesitation, without searching for words. Thinking in English is the bridge between learning and fluency. Now comes real conversation. Talking with real people is the ultimate practice. Friends, classmates, or online partners, any conversation is a chance to grow. Don't fear mistakes. Embrace them. Every mistake is progress. Join online communities, apps, or language exchange groups. Start with small greetings. Hi, how are you? What are you doing today? Can you teach me something new? Gradually, move to longer conversations. The more you speak, the more natural your English becomes. This is where confidence meets fluency. Now let's do a mini listening exercise together. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Speaking English is fun and exciting. I like watching English movies with subtitles. I want to improve my pronunciation. Practicing every day makes me better. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Speak slowly, then gradually increase your speed. Notice how your pronunciation improves and your sentences start to sound natural. Pro tip: record yourself, play it back, and compare with native speakers. This helps you spot small areas to improve. Read aloud daily, articles, stories, or news. Reading aloud trains pronunciation and fluency. Think in English. Narrate your day in your mind. Small sentences, but consistent practice. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and speak along with them, copying tone and pace. Use English apps. Apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Tandem can make practice fun and interactive. Set small goals. 5 sentences a day, then 10, then a short paragraph. Celebrate each milestone. Consistency compounds into fluency. Small daily actions create enormous results. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Mistakes are normal. They're stepping stones. Every time you speak, you improve. Every conversation brings you closer to confidence. Follow these steps. Speak every day. Listen and repeat. Learn phrases. Think in English. Speak with others. And in just a few weeks, you'll notice real change. Your sentences flow. Your confidence grows. Your English becomes natural. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share your progress in the comments. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and know this: fluency is not a dream, it's a habit, a practice, and a choice. See you in the next video.